Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. If you are facing this issue guys, Epic Game Launcher is currently running. Please close it before continue. If you want to uninstall it, so you need to make sure that it should not be running in the background. So you can check it on the task manager and check if it is running in the background. If it is running in the background, simply you need to right click there and simply end the task here. So once you end the task here, the program will be end, and after that you can retry it and see if it fixed the issue or not. It should fix the issue instantly. If not, we can also restart the file explorer here, and this will refresh all the settings and kill all the background tasks in the background. If still you are not able to uninstall it, the second solution, this is the best solution. With the help of Robo Uninstaller, we can uninstall any program here. So tap there, Robo Uninstaller, download, and go to first official link of this website and simply download this version here. Once it's downloaded, just run it, and you can also keep this in your system if something is not working properly and you want to uninstall it. So this software will help you to uninstall any program, including the registry. I mean, all the keys should be removed with this program. You can see here it's going there. Let's say I want to uninstall this program, this one. So we have to simply select that program here like this and click on uninstall. We can also right click there and you can see all should be make restore point. So we can untick this, continue. Now you can see all the details here. Next, delete all the no, and advance, scan it if anything is still there. Let's see, it will find out all the registry keys. If anything is missing inside it, it will find it, and thereafter you can uninstall any program which is not running properly on your Windows. So hope this helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.